Hi, this is Corinna Hernandez from Pony Salon, and this is my Bardot blow dry tutorial. My model Adrienne has extremely dense, very fine hair that is color treated, so I'll be choosing products that are best for her hair type. First, I'll shampoo and condition with a thickening line. Next, I'll apply volumizing products at the roots and softening products at her ends. Then I'll begin my hand dry. I'm focusing on her roots with medium heat with the nozzle on my blow dryer and try to get volume where I want to see it, and also neutralize cowlicks, growth patterns, and I'm just using my hands and a nozzle on my blow dryer. Because Adrienne's curl is a loose curl, I can blow dry her hair almost completely dry with my hands. I'll set her hair the way that I want it to look before I section her hair, starting in the nape using my flat brush. I'll switch my blow dryer to high heat and use my flat brush to try to achieve smoother texture, getting a lived-in look by twisting my brush and then slowing down on the ends to get a nice polished, shiny look. I'll allow the boar bristles in the brush and the pressure from the blow dryer to be the tension that I need to smooth out Adrienne's hair. I don't want to over-apply heat or tension because then I'll lose the bounce in the hair. Section hair for easier management of your blow dry. I'll use a boar bristle flat brush to get a flatter curl, more like a wave than a curl. As I'm moving from section to section, I'll be sure to connect my partings so they're not visible. Once I'm finished using the brush and the blow dryer, I'll then take a look at Adrienne and adjust her hair with my hands, smushing and zhuzhing based on suitability, whatever looks best on her. Then I'll decide where to place the back combing. I like to start right behind the bang to create a little bit of volume in just a few sections. My back combing is not too big, but definitely not too small. This look can be pinned up for something really elegant or just left down for something looser and sexy. At this point, I can see that Adrienne's hair needs a little bit more shine and hold. It's important that I use the product until I see the change that I'm looking for. I think she looks great, and once slept in, it'll look even better. For more information, go to ponyeducation.com.